Hey guys. I wanted to do a quick tutorial for you all on how to put your friends into lists. Now, this has a lot of great, value to control your Facebook and control the things that you do with your list. So let me start off with one thing. So if you go to see all your friends, it's going to pull up all my friends here in a second, I hope. Okay. So let's pick, let me find somebody. Okay. So this girl right here asked me about send out cards. So I'm going to add her to my send out cards list. Okay. Sherry Jones, she's a realtor. So she's on Real Estate Social Network and she's on Realtors and send out cards. Same with Mary Babcock. I'm going to add her to send out cards. Okay, so if you have a list, here's another one. If you want to create a item for your list, you'll just scroll down and click on the new list and you can create a new list there. So it's super simple. And okay, so let me go ahead and show you. So if I want to just break it down and see who's in my different lists, let's go to current city. Okay, so this is going to pull up all the people that I have in my current city. Okay, and this is a list that's already basically created because it'll just pull up people that are in your current city. So if you just wanted to post a post just to your current city friends, you can do that. Let's go into here. Okay, so let me go into list. Where's my list? Okay, there's my friends list. Okay, so let's just go into prospects. So this is a custom list, and this is going to, if I wanted to just create a post just to my prospects, whoever's in this list, I can. Or if I wanted to go in here and just see what my prospects are up to. So I want to go in and Judy Ashley, posted something. Let me go into her profile and see what's been going on in her life, comment on a few things, and send her a card or something like that. I can absolutely do that here in that one particular list. So if I want to go back and manage my list, of course, I have that option here so I can edit my list. So let's just say that it's loading and I can search by name. So I'm going to put in here. So there's not many people on here. So let's say I want to take, this isn't a good list. Let me go into another one. Let me go into my realtor list. Okay, realtors. Let me go into here. Let me edit my list. That's not a good one either. Okay, let's go into, I want to show you one that's good. Let's see. I have my restricted, like I don't want to show them anything. Okay, let's go into Keller Williams. Coworkers at Keller Williams. Okay, so edit list. Okay, so this, why is it doing this? Oh, okay. So I want to pull up, where's that Chris? Let me go in here and search for Chris. What's his, Chris? All right. Let me see. Okay, so let's say I want to add Chris to this list. Because he's on, I sent him some send out cards information, so I can come to the friends, add to another list, and go to SOC. So now he is in the SOC list. Let me go back to my SOC list. There's not many people in there, but let me show you something. Friends list. Okay, so let me go into my SOC. So let's just say there's 6 people on the list. So let's just say I wanted to create a post that said something like, have you downloaded my free app? If you have not, then what are you waiting for? Comment below and get your first card free on me. Okay, so I'm going to post this, and it's just going to go out to the people on the send out cards list. So if you have any questions, let me know. So, but looking here, a lot of the lists are already made up. Like you might have your hometown, you might have people, you know, like here's Greer. So people that lived in Greer are in here. People that went to Gulf Breeze High School are in here. People that worked at Realty Executives are in here. People that went to All Saints Episcopal School, they're in here. LSU. So let's pull up LSU. So if I wanted to send out a message just to my LSU people, then I could do that here. But let me go to edit list because I want to see it on the list. Let's just look at the friends. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? You can do that right here. Let me think if there's anything else to show you on the friends list. Okay, so here is the real estate social network. There's Cheyenne. So this is a group that I have. There's 10 people on my list. These are people that are on my friends list that are also in my real estate social network group. So let's just say I want to say, same thing. Have you downloaded my free app that will help you build your business? I assure you that. If you would like the link, please comment below. Okay, I'm just showing all this. Okay, so we will post that. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a message. If you're not already friends with me, I am Jenny Dawson Coleman. This is my profile. This is my cover photo. And I look forward to the connections. I'll talk to you soon.